I am Luca, the DMG Digital Assistant. Here's how I can help you today. I will show you how to create a new configuration for your Gyotto display. The concept of configuration must be linked to all the necessary parameterization for displaying elevator data. The configuration of a custom graphic is explained in the dedicated tutorials. Enter the Mosaic UN platform by accessing the website www.mosaic1.net. Enter your building. Add a new Gyotto device. To enter the configuration menu, click the plus button. This section is divided into 3 parts to set the parameters of a display. Basic configuration covers all operational parameters of position indicators based on encoding. Service messages is a set of preset messages and images to be displayed. Audio is a library of voice synthesis messages that will be played at the arrival floor. Configuration name, enter the name of the configuration associated with the display. Device family displays the value entered in the previous step. Protocol. Based on the type of panel and display interface, configure the data transmission protocol to the device. For example, a wire per floor. Select the display menu language. Indicate the range and the capacity of the system in the appropriate fields. In the parameters section, choose the destination of the display, in the cabin or on the floor. Set the lowest floor in the offset value section, common polarity, and type of arrows. Assign outputs for additional services. Enable firefighter mode or screensaver time. In the floor override section, you could name the floors according to your needs and switch from floor numbers to letters, symbols, or words. For example, instead of floor -1, the display will show the word park, at floor 0 the letter E, and so on. By clicking on plus, you can add more rows, and by clicking on X, you can delete them. Be careful, in this way up to 4 alphanumeric characters can be displayed. In the case of longer texts, the display must be managed through the association of custom graphics to each floor. The Service Messages submenu allows you to assign the standard libraries that are already prepared simply by choosing one from the list provided here. The Audio submenu is dedicated to voice synthesis messages and the gongs that will be played at each level. Again, select and assign one of the libraries present here to your display. Set the playback volume for media content, voice synthesis, alarms, and gongs. Set the playback order of the audio messages and save your configuration. Click the Create Device button. Now enter the dedicated graphics for this device and assign the newly created programming. Check the accuracy of the entered parameters again. At this stage, it is still possible to modify and save the configuration parameters. Click on the Export button. Save the created file to a USB flash drive. Update your display with the newly created programming. Thank you. For further information, we suggest you visit our technical support site Dado DMG. See you soon.